Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on The VAX.
In order for us to reach the protection, what we call yung herd immunity, where this pandemic will be put to an end, we need the vaccine, no? Kung hulaton ta lang nga ma-develop kita sang natural immunity and get infected, daw hindi tagid mo reach, no, ang 70% of the population to become immune against COVID-19. So it's only the vaccine that can help us, no. So amo na nga kinahanglan naton magkabaton, no, as much as possible, especially those who are in the front line, so medical, non-medical frontliners, no. So our workforce, no, we need those protection, no, para nga ma-offer kita ma-immune kita against the disease. And at the same time, if we get vaccinated, ang tao sa palibot naton can also be protected, no. Amo nang essence ang herd immunity kay those who are exposed, no, to the disease, mga frontliners, no. So they get protection with the vaccine. So hindi na sila magmasakit and hindi na nila madala sa mga vulnerable populations sa ilang balay, mga susceptible people, no. So that's why kinahanglan tagid ang vaccine. That's the only protection that we have against this pandemic.